done. Louise, what do you think of Molly's performance?
Molly, I think you've already made such a big step up from week one. Your piano skills are lovely, and I love that even though you were kind of checking where your hands were going, you were still keeping that connection with the camera. You were still looking back and giving us that performance element and not just staring at the keys the whole time. So really applaud you for that. Such a beautiful, clean vocal. Your voice is just really, really lovely, and it's coming on. Even from last week, I can notice a difference. Like, you seem like you've got more confidence in your voice. Maybe it is just being able to sit there and play the piano and do it in your own way. But the confidence just comes out of you. It was such a lovely performance, and I would really love to see you take on like some Sarah I can't say it. Bareilles. At the piano as well, because I think that would be a nice challenge for you, but also something that you're more than capable of doing. So just maybe something to have a look at for the future. But brilliant performance, loved it, well done.
Kelly, what did you think?
Yeah, your vocal is so thick and so powerful, and I think that the piano just really complements you so well, and it's lovely because we saw you as a solo and then as a duo, and now, you know, as sort of like this, you're maturing into this musician with this beautiful voice, and it's just lovely to sort of watch you grow before our eyes and really find out what you can do. I just thought it was a really, really beautiful performance, and I love the fact that you interacted with the camera, because when you're on stage you've always got such great composure, and that's nice to know that it's not lost even though you're behind a camera. Fabulous performance, honestly, well done.
Molly, I mean, I was watching that performance then, and I was actually like, whoa. Like, every artist comes to a point where they actually find themselves. There's a difference between being just a really good singer and being an actual artist, and I feel like after everything, like, we've seen you on such a journey from coming in as a soloist first and then coming back and being put into a duo, and I really think these challenges, you know, even with being a duo, they challenge us and they teach us new things. And I think you've got to a point now, you've gone away and you've really found who you are as an artist, and that's such an achievement to find at your age. And I was sat there and I was like, oh my God, she's really, really found herself, and I really do think you have. This is definitely your lane. I definitely think this is where you need to be going. Doesn't mean you can't challenge yourself to songs, but this is definitely your lane. I want you to really look at Delta Good Drum. I don't know if you've heard of Delta Good Drum, but I want you to look at Delta Good Drum because you remind me of like a mini version of her, and I've never seen that before until now, and I could see that now. But just keep doing what you're doing, because I haven't helped you with any of this, and for you to come up with all of this on your own is a massive achievement to me, and you should be really proud of it, because you really have found yourself, and I do think you could do really well this season. I really do. Keep doing what you're doing. You smashed that. Well done.